me, Parrot. Where's your pocket map, Budgie? You sexy. Huh? You style. You split, beep, beep. Look at me, Pedro. Come on, Pedro. Beep, beep, beep. Yes. Sup?
What's up? Wanna say hello to that one? Oh, we left a box of tissue on the table. Because Mommy went shopping, didn't she? Hey, what did Pedro do? Pedro peep peep peep? Did you do a peep peep? I don't know if I can see you in the camera. Yep. Oh, is that what it is? Hey. Mm-hmm. Mmm. You're religious. Oh, you're a messy boy. I know you're a messy boy. Oh, you don't like it? Okay, fine. If you have the bell shaking. I know, you continue to talk, isn't it, Pedro? Huh? And if Mommy talks as well, you like talking on top of me, don't you? Eh? Yep, hip, hip, hip. Okay, that's enough talking.